As often happens, YouTube put something in my recommendations that is roughly in line with my interests, but regardless, it was still a terrible video. And it showed some soldier in the Army, US Army, being instructed to disassemble, reassemble, and functions check his M9 pistol in 30 seconds or less. I'm not going to make you watch the whole video because it's long and tedious, but here's just a clip of him disassembling it.
Begin. Stop.
Obviously, this was painfully slow, especially for somebody who is supposed to be proficient with that weapon. I do not have an M9, I have a Gearson Regard MC, which is basically the same thing as an M9A1. He did not have a magazine in his pistol, I do. So, what we're going to do is what he was actually instructed to do in less time than he did the wrong thing. So, here we go. So I missed the stop button. It said 22 point something seconds. And in the words of lockpicking lawyer, let's try that one more time just so you can see it wasn't a fluke. .93 seconds, give or take. Yeah. That guy should be embarrassed, and I'm embarrassed for him. That's about all I got to say.